Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you can see from the title, I have some summer perfumes for the office. So for me, honey, I'm a little bit extra, but let's get into some of my picks that I love wearing for the summer in the office. Well, family, again, I'm a little extra, so hey, you probably have your own summer picks, and maybe your picks are not like my picks, and I totally understand the vibe. But I do, when I'm in the office, I love to leave a scent trail. That is probably one of my favorite things, is to leave a scent trail. Like, I was here in that room, I went to that room, I love it down, because people are like, oh, smells good. I just love it. It's just like a game. I love it. Anyway, so a lot of these do leave, or really all of them to me, leave a scent trail, whether it's a long scent trail or a short one. But first up is a beauty, okay? Prodigy. Oh, baby. From Mind Games. If you know, you know. This is the Rose of Rose. This is so beautiful, so luxury. Absolutely, it's for this season and leaves a scent trail. If you want to be dominant in your fragrance in that office, okay, let them know you come here for business, but still smell very beautiful and chic and very luxury and plush and all the things. If you want to be like a girly girl, but not like where people are playing you, right? Like you are a woman, okay? This is so good. And I don't want like, not anything very seasoned, if you know what I mean, but this is so good. Those that have this, like, comment down below. Let the girls know about Prodigy. Prodigy speaks for itself. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It is so good and perfect for the office. Would highly recommend. I get so many compliments every time I wear it. Next up, a fruity coconut, green apple type of fragrance. This also has caramel in it. This is Orza from Tiziana Terenzi. As you know, as you can see from the packaging, this is just extra, okay? And you smell that way. Oh, and it's so good. It's fruity. It's florals in this. Caramel. It's so good. And talk about leaving a beautiful scent trail. Again, this, I mean, the packaging alone is everything, but the scent trail this leaves, chef's kiss in the office. You want to smell like this. Trust me, okay? If you have days like me, you want to smell like this because it makes you happy. It makes you happy. You're like, oh, compliments, you know, like those that work from home and then you come into the office just like one day out of the week, you like the superstar because people don't see you that much, okay? So if you want to be like superstar, stand out, wear this. If you want to be sheltered in a corner, girl, don't wear this. This is not the shelter. This is not hide in the corner. You don't want to talk to nobody. You want to talk to everybody, okay? You got to show out. This is the show out. Again, my office may be different from your office. You might want to tuck away, hide away, don't talk to me. Please don't come by me. I'm a little extra, so your sis is extra. So this is on the extra side, okay? Maybe I'll do an office for the other side of the non-extras, but maybe you will comment down below and tell me what that is. Because I always want to be extra. So, Orza from Tiziana Terenzi, I would highly recommend you get this and show out in that office. Let them know you didn't come to play. Moving on. Next up, another fruity floral fragrance that also has sandalwood. Now, this may be a little bit lighter, okay? But you're still Gonna be extra in that office. But this might not come on as strong as my other suggestions, okay? And this is Pink Magnolia, but I feel like this is amazing for this season. Amazing in an office setting. Oh, so good. Fresh beauty. Okay? White floral. Fruity. Oh, it's everything musky. It's so good. I love it now. Okay, and you wear the right oil. Like, wear an oil that has like a jasmine or a white kind of floral in your oil. If you have something like that in your collection, this pairing with that, oh, amazing. You might need to go to Brown Sugar Babe, get you an oil. They got a jasmine note in it, okay? It help your life, because this and that, match made in heaven, okay? But this will absolutely leave a scent trail if you have some oil, some moisturizer. It will stick to you like glue, and it is so good, okay? Such a great compliment to get wearing this. I'm telling you, you will not go wrong. This is it. Oh man, from Loewe, this is so good. Highly recommend. Amazing, amazing, and amazing. And the last two recommendations, I just talked about this, so I'm just going to bring them up at the same time. They are so good in the office. Like, one is a classic and one is like a must woody shout standout. Like, these are both amazing. You will get compliments, right? You will be a standout for the summer, and it's not too cloying or too heavy where you're like, oh, this is too sticky. No, and no, it's so good. I'm talking about Coco Mademoiselle, Chanel, if you know, you know. And from Fragrance Du Bois, Santal Complete, yes, and yes, you know it. Your girl just talked about it. Perfect for the office. Great for a scent trail. It lasts and lasts and lasts. It's great for the office, okay? I love it. I love to stand out like this because for me, it's not cloying. You smell fresh and woody and musk and beautiful. Like, it's everything that you want walking into that office, okay? So if you have to walk into the office and you're looking around at your collection and you want to know what's going to work, your sis gave you some 5 options that's going to work for your life. If you do not have these items in your collection, I would highly suggest you go on to any like fragrance site, maybe get a sample, try it to see if you vibe with it, or if it's in store, try that as well. You know, I'm trying not to blind buy as much. But if you want to kind of splurge and dip your toe and purchase, hey, go ahead. I mean, Joma Shop is a good shop. Like, just go and explore. But these are absolutely great fragrances for the office, okay? Let me know, what are some of your picks, okay, for the summer, for the office flair? How do you like to come, okay? Do you like to be baby in the corner? Don't talk to me. Don't even breathe on me. I definitely don't want nobody to breathe on me. But don't talk to me. Don't look at me like, nah. I'm just here to get my paycheck and I'm gone. Are you one of those? Or are you like, since I'm here, since I'm getting dressed, let you all be sick of me and my shenanigans? Are you like that? Like your sis? Sick of all my shenanigans? Yeah. Be extra. You wake me up, I gotta get dressed at 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh yeah, you're gonna have all these shenanigans. Yeah, you should let me be at home. But oh, you want me to drive in? Oh, that's fine. About 2 hour and a half. Okay. Yeah, you about to get the show out each and every time. So fam, let me know some of your picks below. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye fam. I love you so much. Bye.